Good day to you all out there. My name is Amechi Eke and I am addressing the Billion Coin community. It's always a good feeling for us to get talking, and especially when we know that we have people listening to us and getting things straightened out in the community. So this afternoon, I will be analyzing always, just the way you know now. Amechi like to analyze things and get us thinking and think, not just thinking, but to think deep into what we're doing. So, firstly, I would like to read from this very book to set the pace going. It is titled "Learn to Listen to the Right Voice." It goes this way: why are we so frequently inclined to do the things that are at least important, but so reluctant to do the essential things that success and happiness demand? Why? What is that voice that whispers to us, just let it slide? Why worry about all that discipline nonsense? Why? It is the voice of negativity, a voice that has grown increasingly stronger over the years as a result of being around the wrong influences, thinking the wrong thoughts, developing the wrong philosophy, and making the wrong decisions. You see, why are we so frequently inclined to do the things that are least important while we ignore the basic things that we need to be doing with our lives and things like that? Because of how we have allowed ourselves to get corroded with all sort of reasoning, kind of lazy thinking, and not getting ahead in life because we make ourselves just so prone to listening to such negativities. We shouldn't be. So this afternoon, I'll be asking some questions in the community here, and some of these questions, I'll be giving some brief answers to them, while the rest will be allowed to you to answer by yourselves. I start in this way. Number one, as I just listed them out here, is, are we making progress in TBC community? The answer is yes. That is just short and simple answer is yes. Then, second question, are we supposed to be in alignment with the needed changes taking place in TBC? Answer to that is also yes. We don't have to be out of alignment. If you're out of alignment, that means we've fallen out of the way, and we don't want to fall out of the way. Then the third question is, were there some initial defects due to human errors in TBC, some certain thing that needs to be changed? The answer is also yes, and steps are already being taken to put those things the way they should. And we are seeing it, progress all the way in TBC community. Then another question, were there influx of people with blurry views of what TBC really is? The answer is a resounding yes. There were people who came into TBC thinking or taking it to be something else. One of those things that they used to know, those fly overnight opportunities and things like that. But some of these people, when they see it and they know that, oh, this is not it, most of them have moved on to something else. Okay? They have equally gone ahead to do other things and abandoning the TBC ship, as so to say. So, along the way also, there were those that came along simply to benefit from TBC brand names. Yes. Yeah. These ones are what you see many a times on Facebook ad. Cars, 100% TBC. This, 100% TBC. That, shoes, wear, just arrived, 100% TBC. But when you take further step to want to get to know more about those 100% TBC being advertised, then you discover that it's just a bet, just a way to lure people to their stores or whatsoever. So most of these people who are clamoring or who are putting their wares on 100% TBC, they don't even know TBC. Most of them can't even explain TBC to the dumbest of a person because they don't know. All they know is that TBC makes people to want to listen. It's just like what bloggers do. You know, when bloggers search for keywords that interest people, they always like to position their keywords towards that line. And what does that help them to do? It will just help them to attract traffic to their site, and then they'll market those traffic. So that is how many people actually do with TBC, because TBC is a brand. Google TBC and you see Number of people searching TBC on Google daily and things around the world. So it's a huge number, and people want to, advertise their businesses. So in all, TBC is just, the ideology of TBC was just like a net used in catching fish. So you are bound to get all types of fish, both useful and unuseful ones, and as the case may be. But eventually, only the useful ones get used. So I hope we are getting it very plain and very clear. So that's just the way it is in TBC. So while we are talking about this, we'll be getting more other facts clearly spelled out. So friends, as you can see, TBC is just getting clearer and clearer by the day. So many things that were not clearly spelled out one time ago is now getting open, and much information about TBC is getting exposed, because those who really understand what TBC is, they are the never say die strong members of TBC community. So what you just see in TBC is just that TBC is like a structure being constructed. Okay, when you are constructing a building, especially if it's an upstairs, when the decking is being poured, there need to be some bamboo sticks or other things used to hold the concrete until it is properly dry. After it will take some weeks. Okay, so it will take some weeks before those sticks or whatsoever that were used to hold the decking are to be removed. So the TBC structure is getting firmer, and those bamboo sticks used in holding the decking are being removed gradually. Before now, what we used to see in TBC, and it's still happening partially, pay to play, so to say. But those ideas is getting out of the way. What are we looking for in TBC now? If you have any product for TBC, if you cannot sell 100%, fine, you can sell, even if it is 10% TBC and 90% cash, let it be. The issue of you must register for you to become a member before you start buying from us and things of that nature. Those ideas is being discouraged in TBC. TBC is getting firmer. Let's throw those ones to what belonged to yesterday. Those were part of the learning curves in TBC. So if anyone still go ahead to mandate people to register and pay some percentage in fiat currency before they can pay part in TBC or whatsoever, very soon those ones should be exposed. They will start being exposed in YouTube. Videos against them will start, very soon will start being made of them. So if you know that you are going into, as a merchant, you have anything you are selling, if you cannot collect full TBC, at least even if it's 10% TBC, collect it. Don't require anybody, don't force anybody to register before the person starts. No, as long as that person is having TBC, he has the right to purchase from you whatever he or she wants, depending based on your own percentage. Okay, so let's do away with all the initial ideas that are no longer needed in TBC. TBC is changing, and we need to really follow along as the things are changing. Days are gone for those people who use TBC to steal from others. No, enough of that. Enough of that. Why? Because even the scammers, discounters, they are beginning to understand that there's no more way for them to be doing all those things, because they are paying for their back office. So if after paying to protect something you have and you start discarding it, who is losing? So those people who are meant to bring TBC down, they are the ones rather bringing themselves down, not TBC. So let us go on to do the right thing in TBC, and not those who are just clamoring and saying all sort of things in TBC. So you also see that even those who come up using TBC to cover their face, and they are doing all sort of thievery in TBC, committing all sort of crimes in TBC, their ways or their days are already numbered. No longer room for such ones. And that is all those who claim that, hey, we are pastors, hey, we are we are philanthropists, we are doing this, we are doing that. Please, let's stop all those things, because TBC is now getting to where it is. TBC is now getting stronger. Okay, what we just need to do now is to follow the needed things, to follow all the ideas being mapped out now for us to understand TBC. You can make money in TBC. There's no question about that. All you need to do is follow the structures of TBC. Okay, learn to share the gift, become a merchant, or even if you are not a merchant, distribute TBC. And by the time you give TBC to register 2 persons to TBC, teach them the need to pay for their back office. And once they understand it, they also help others, because now it is still on this distribution phase, but people are just clamoring, we want TBC to become spendable. TBC is already spendable. Like some people often say that they are already in TBC economy. If you really understand, some people are already in TBC economy, while others are waiting for magic to happen. We are the one to perform the magic, and not TBC admin, because so many people have been saying, hey, when is admin going to make TBC spendable so that we will start making use of our TBC? Admin has given us the roadmap, admin has given us the structure needed. So the rest is now left for us to do in TBC. I also like to get another fact from that book that I read earlier on. It says why we sometimes get stuck on the ground floor. Some people sometimes get stuck on the ground floor, thinking, why are we not being lifted up? The reason, let me read again. If we have a sincere desire for progress, then we are compelled to find every possible means to implement all that we know and feel. We must find ways to demonstrate on the outside all of the value that we possess on the inside. Otherwise, our values will remain unappreciated and our talents unrewarded. What do you know? What do you understand? Do you care to listen? Do you care to follow instructions? I shared a video with somebody, an audio with somebody the other day, and the person was asking me, I asked the person, how far? Have you actually finished listening to it? And he said, yes, I listened to it midway, but I couldn't finish it. Please, can you explain to me the details? The person was asking me. I was taken aback. He didn't listen to it. He wanted me to explain it to you. After having given it to you for you to listen to. It doesn't make sense. So the book goes on to say, why some people fail and others succeed can be baffling. Sometimes it may even seem unfair. We all know people who have good education. They have right attitude and a sincere desire to make things happen and to make something for themselves. They are good parents, honest employees, and loyal friends. Yet, despite their knowledge, feelings, and desires, they continue to live lives of quiet desperation. They should have so much more than they do, but they seem to receive so little. Why? Because these ones, they are not doing the needful. They are just feeling it. But instead of waking up and doing the rightful thing, they don't. They want bread or manna to fall from heaven. But those days are gone, man. Those days are equally gone. So in TBC, you need action. We need to understand the value of sharing the job opportunity. It's not job opportunity, because when you say them is gift, people will just accept gift and see that. But when they say that it's job, okay, they need to do it. Educate them. Get people registered in TBC and plug them in the right way to be educated. Point them to YouTube videos. Point them to YouTube channels where they will get to understand what they have. And they'll be happy to do that. And that is how we roll, as they used to put it. So the book continues. Say, then there are those who always seem to receive so much and yet merit so little. There are those who seem to receive so much but merit so little. Who are these people? They have no education. They have a poor attitude about themselves and other people, and are often dishonest and unethical, though not encouraged. The only thing they do, or they seem to share in common with those, please let me take that place again. Say, the only thing they seem to share in common with those who should do well but do so poorly is a sincere desire to get ahead. that desire to just move ahead. That is just what they have. Okay? Oh, my education, oh, my qualification, I don't have, but that desire to get ahead. And they do it. Okay? Despite their lack of virtuous knowledge and appreciation, these people often seem to come out on top. Despite all the limitations that we start counting, hey, I don't have this, oh, my level of education, oh, my family background, oh, I don't know how to talk, oh, I can't. Those ones, they put those things aside and allow one thing to guide them. And that is what is one thing that's guiding them. The desire to get ahead, the desire to get instructed and they move. But most of us choose to analyze, prefer unending analysis. Hey, how is this going to be? In fact, okay, if you put 1 plus 1, what happens to the other 2 that is remaining? And after adding that 1, okay, what if it remains? Analysis, which leads to paralysis. So, friends, TBC has given us enough room for improvement. I have to say it, and I stand to be challenged or corrected. TBC is the best opportunity. Come what? So far, TBC is the best opportunity. It's just for people to know how to go on with it. Let's forget about all these people who are pretending to be what they are not. Most of them who are the so-called TBC leaders, they can't even explain TBC to the little child. Because of the bad name that people have given to TBC, if you hear about anything trade for TBC, hey, some people, Jordan, a man from somewhere, Ramakodi or so, he called me to verify if actually the church where he's hearing about TBC is real or not. So, admin is here to promote, to help us project TBC to do. And that is why most of the time when you see some videos talking about anything good about TBC, you see it on the blog. Yes, that's just the way to help people to see that, yes, admin know what he's doing. And it is left for the community also to be in touch with what they are doing. Let us stop falling for scams all in the name of TBC. Let us share the job opportunity in TBC. Let us, when we do, we make money. Okay? It goes in different ways. So, folks, the point is very plain and is very clean and is very open to those who actually understand the concept of TBC. Enough of pay to play. We are no longer playing in TBC. We need to protect what we have. Okay? Most of us here in Nigeria today, we all know how